This is Brande Arno of Brande Arno Fine Art, and today I'm going to work on a commission for a mouse. And we're going to make this one super cute if we can. So I started with marking out spaces so that in here a frame would not interfere with the painting. Now this little guy is bending off. He's kind of on an angle, and that's what's interesting about the pose. So gonna work with that, and his little feet come over here. Now the tail goes right off the page, but I'm going to bring it back around just because I think it's cuter that way. And the artist's job is to make them even cuter at this point. And I do sell quite a bit of mice when I do paint them. This past winter I did a series of Christmas mice, and I sold every single one of them. I think I tried for 10. Don't think I quite made 10 mice, but that was my goal. And I sold every single one. Okay. Now see how that comes up over the margin as it is? But I may be able to do something about that. Let me do it right now. Another thing that's quite cute about this pose is the little hands that are up. They're up like they're praying, and that just makes them so cute. Permanent green, light, Napsal red, and Indian yellow. Great combination of colors to mix anything you want from. Blend this a bit with the drawing color. It's a nice graying effect. So through here, I want that to be a little more gray. That's too pink. Try to get some gray in here. I'm going to take that out. That's not going to work. So let me take it out. Better to take it out than to try to fiddle with it. What I want to do is indicate this, try to make it as three-dimensional as possible. With some of the dark on my brush, I'm going to go into this nose. Okay, now I'm going to get my light small brush, and there's a cute little ring around the nose, and I went into my dark area. I didn't mean to. We'll have to go back into that. I'm going to put an even lighter bit right up through here. There is a trick to making white look whiter, and that's to put permanent green just a tiny tad, and it makes a white color look whiter. And then just drag this. I'm grabbing some just regular gray here. And I'm going to get back into that darker grayish in there. Okay, so he's got his cute little face. Here. This is quite subtle. There we go. I think what I have to do is indicate the arms a little better than I've done. I don't like the hands. We're going to take them off and do them again. All right, now actually it doesn't look that bad right there. So let's not reinvent the wheel. Nah, I don't like that. Oh, let's do this. Okay, I think I know what's wrong. What's wrong is I have to establish the dark area under the chin right here. Got to do that first. All right. And now we can try to put in some kind of hands. Right after I get this done, I got to get the little whiskers in. And I'm going to scratch those in. And I'll be painting over the frame lines.